Welcome back, my faithful viewers, and here we are another video. So we're going to play an old game. Some people may know it, the new subscribers may not. The game is called What's in My Bag. So today I had an errand to run, and of course you have to leave the house, which for me is a production, but we left the house, and after we got done with the errands, we decided to go to a donut company that just opened here around town a month or two, maybe 3 months ago. Was it? It was back in March. Yes. This is the second time going there because the place is so far away. I'll leave the address and everything in the description box. It's called Hertz Donut Company. And I've got 3 of their signature donuts. All right, let me go ahead and carefully tear open the bag because I really don't want to mangle the donuts. They are so pretty in here. Oh God. Oh, the icing. Excuse me. Yes. I took care of the icing. Okay, so the first one, let's see, I have, this is chocolate birthday cake. So you can see that there's chocolate birthday cake. Okay, the next one is so cute. Oh my God, that's so cute. Okay, oh, I lost one. It's a white donut with white frosting, and it has nerds on it. White and nerdy. Us Weird Al Yankovic fans will understand that joke. Oh my God. So we got white and nerdy. We got chocolate birthday cake. And then over here, hang on. I don't want, ooh. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Oh my God, look at leggy. You see all the toppings are on there. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh my God, it's like being in a carnival. Oh my God, I'm sorry. That one's cotton candy. Oh my God, this. These little thingy boppers, I don't know what they are, but they're good. Oh my God. Oh, they're starting to pop like Pop Rock. Oh my God, that's Pop Rock. Oh my God. Oh, that is good stuff. And I got some water here because that's diabetes on a plate. But hey, what's that? You only live once? Okay. Oh, that's a yeast donut. So I'm going to start with the cake donut. Okay. Oh, there's a poppy. Okay, you ready? You ready for this? You ready? Are you ready for this? Oh my God, look at all that cream. Look at all that cream. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh my God, that's so good. The cream is not too sweet. You'd think it'd be loaded down with sugar, because that's mainly what frosting is. But somehow they tempered that. Okay. Okay, for a cake donut, well, I don't like it, it's so heavy. But this is really light and airy. And it is not heavy with sugar. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Oh, that's good. Mm-hmm. Mm. So chocolate birthday cake is so good. Mm. I do not recommend drinking water with this. It requires a glass of milk. If you're lactose intolerant, they sell milk alternatives like almond or oat or rice, even soy milk. I hate soy milk, but it's an option. Okay, so now it's the white and nerdy. We got, oh, mmm, oh, that is good. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Oh, in the words of Martin Hilton, I know you're telling a lie. Oh my God. I don't know what they do to these cake donuts, but they're good. Mm-hmm. 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 That's not a Walmart donut. Mm-mm. I don't know who this company is. The first time I only had the first time I had a maple bacon like bear claw. Awesome. I went back to them like we need to try more. I need to show you. Oh no, this is good. So the white and nerdy, the cake batter on both donuts are really light. They're not dense at all. They're not heavily sweetened. You know, that is really good. Okay, now my favorite. My favorite is a yeast a donut. That's a yeast donut. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Oh. Mm. Mm-mm. I dropped the. Uh-uh. I'm gonna peel you apart. I got a bunch of candy in my mouth. Oh. Oh my god. Now that's a sign of a good yeast donut. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm. The yeast donut. Oh god, that's so good. The yeast donut doesn't have much of a flavor. It's not supposed to. It's the vessel to get all this goodness on top into you. And it does its job very well. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Mmm. 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 Oh, it's been a long time since I did a food review. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. That is so good. I need to finish this. This is the best one. Well, I don't know. I seem to lie. I like all of them. Mmm. 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 Oh, that is so good. That is excellent. Mm-hmm. Mm. That is so yummy. Everything was very light. This was allowed to proof. This yeast donut, the dough was allowed to proof. I mean, it's not heavy. Nothing is heavy. Believe it or not, it looks like, and this is very pleasing to the eye. It looks like you're doing something really, really bad. Nothing drags you down. Nothing is overly sweet. You can have one of these donuts with a nice cup of coffee or a glass of milk and be completely satisfied. Excuse me. Oh, you me. Oh my. Anyway, that's my review on the Hertz Donut Company. I'll look them up. I'll link you the website. I don't know if they deliver, but if they're in a store near you, you need to go. These are good. Well, until next time, guys. Mm, that was so yummy. We're going to hope for the best. We're going to prepare for the worst. I guarantee you, we're all going to end up somewhere in the middle. Bye.